Did you know that obesity rates have more than doubled worldwide since 1980? With over 1.9 billion adults classified as overweight, and of those, over 650 million classified as obese, finding sustainable solutions for weight management has never been more crucial. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, with mental clarity, and a body that's not only healthy but also confident. Meet John, a hard-working father juggling a demanding job and family responsibilities. Like many, he found himself caught in the cycle of crash diets and fitness fads, struggling to shed excess weight while feeling more energized. It wasn't until he discovered intermittent fasting that he experienced a breakthrough. Welcome to Life Balance Guru. Today, we embark on a journey into the realm of intermittent fasting, uncovering its potential as a powerful tool for weight loss, improved health, and enhanced well-being. Welcome to the Healthy Living Handbook, a doctor's guide to intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has become a popular plan that switches between abstaining from food and eating on a timed schedule. There are many reports that suggest it could be a way for weight management and preventing certain health conditions. Is fasting healthy? Is it an effective way to lose weight? Let's find out in today's video of Life Balance Guru. Following an intermittent fasting plan. Intermittent fasting aims at the duration of fasting. The regularity and timescale of these fasting periods depend on the kind of plan followed. Some popular patterns of intermittent fasting are time-restricted eating, where you avoid eating outside the eating window. For instance, the 16-8 diet requires you to fast for 16 hours per day and eat within an 8-hour window. This is done by skipping breakfast and eating only from midday to 8 p.m., so you'll be fasting for 16 hours. Fasting days. You select one day of the week or month and fast over a 24-hour period, meaning if you finish dinner at 6 p.m., then you have to fast until 6 p.m. the next day. Alternate day fasting. You can select a certain number of days in a week and eat very few calories while eating a normal number of calories during the rest of the week. Meaning, the 5.2 diet requires eating only 25% of a normal calorie intake on 2 non-consecutive days of the week, then eating a normal and unrestricted amount on the other 5. Fasting mimicking diet is a reduced calorie diet, but with a specific macro and micronutrient breakdown where it's focused on 5 days of the month. How does intermittent fasting work? After fasting for a number of hours, the body switches from the ready supply of energy from food to burning its fat stores. The point at which you trigger the switch all depends on how much energy you use, what your last meal was, and the amount of stored glycogen you have. So it might take as long as 12 to 36 hours of fasting. Is intermittent fasting effective? According to studies, intermittent fasting is effective at promoting weight loss for those who are overweight. The success of this plan may depend on your ability to continue maintaining this style of dieting. And sustaining the weight loss is down to how well you adapt to the eating patterns in the long term. What foods can you eat with this diet plan? Intermittent fasting focuses mainly on when you eat, meaning there are no restrictions on what you eat during the scheduled eating window. But if you use your eating window to consume high-energy foods, you're unlikely to reap the benefits. So you should follow a balanced diet which includes fruits, vegetables, and whole grains along with lean meat and fish. Can you drink while fasting? Drinks are restricted during your fasting period. You should stick to water and zero-calorie drinks such as black, unsweetened tea, herbal teas, or coffee. During your eating window, there are no restrictions. A nutritionist's view on intermittent fasting. In order to be effective and healthy, the food consumed during the eating window should be highly nutritious. You should include essential fats from oily fish, nuts, and seeds, lean sources of protein, whole grains, carbs, and plenty of fruits and vegetables to supply dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. During the first 2 to 4 weeks of the plan, some followers claim feeling hungry, irritable, and experiencing migraines as their body gets used to intermittent fasting. Also, remember that limited studies have examined the long-term effects of intermittent fasting on humans. If you're considering this form of diet, You should first consult your physician to confirm if it's safe for you. Many people find that a moderate fast, finishing all food by 7 p.m., and then waiting until 7 a.m. the next day before eating breakfast, can offer a more sustainable approach while still reaping some of the benefits. What's the evidence for intermittent fasting? While various studies have linked intermittent fasting with a reduced risk of cancer, heart disease, an extended lifespan, protection against age-related diseases, a protective effect against cognitive decline, improved resistance to stress and disease, and an increase in the gut's good bacteria, this is still an emerging area of research. Who should be careful? If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, diabetic, you should avoid fasting. The elderly, groups under 18 years of age, those who are on medication, those who have a BMI less than 18.5, those with emotional or psychological issues, and those with a history of eating disorders should be cautious. If you're considering attempting any form of diet, remember to always consult a physician first to ensure you can do so without risking your health. Thanks for joining, and I'll catch you all soon with another helpful video.